it's Miss Barbara, and as part of our outer space story time, we're going to read a book called Penguinaut. And it's written by Marcia Colleen and illustrated by Emma Yarlett. And see who the astronaut is? He's a penguin. I wonder what's going to happen to this penguin. Let's see. What do you think's going to happen to him? Orville was small. See? He's a tiny little penguin. His name is Orville. Can you say Orville? Very good. And his friends were big. Look at this friend. What animal do you think this friend is? It's a big animal. What do you think it might be? We can't see the whole animal, just parts. We see this long nose and feet. What do you think it might be, Charlie? Logan says it's an elephant. You think he's right? I think he's right. It's an elephant. And their adventures were even bigger. What animal is this? That's a hippo. Orville longed for big adventures too. Giraffe. That one's a giraffe. One day, he announced his plans for the biggest, best adventure yet. And here are all his friends. See all his friends? What animals do you see here? Can you find the lion? Point to the lion. Very good. Can you point to the alligator? Very good. What about the rhino? He's hard to find. He's up in the corner. And they say, all the way up there? It's not a good idea. But Orville, you're so small. And the moon is so far away. But Orville said, I can do it myself. It says Orville flipped out and he said, I can do it myself. He tried to flap, 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 because he is a bird. Penguins are birds. He went flap, 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 flap. But kerplop, he fell right out of the tree. He tried to climb. Look at this. He tried to climb the ladder. Whack! He fell down. He borrowed from the zookeeper. He nicked from the trash bins, and he built, and he built, and he built. What is he building? What do you think he's building? What does it look like? Maybe a house? You think it's a house? I don't know. He wants to go to the moon, so I wonder what it could be. And with a shake, shake, shake. Can you shake? Shake, shake, shake. Of a half-filled soda bottle, the ship was ready for liftoff. He took the bottle and shake, 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 shake. Do you know what happens when you take a bottle of soda and you shake it up? It gets very powerful. Oh, it was perfect and perfectly penguin-sized. Now, what do you think that is? What do you think it could be? It's a rocket ship, right? With a trembling flipper salute, he took his place at the controls. And see, look, all his friends are watching. And there's Orville inside his rocket. He says, I can do this myself. And they counted down. 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Whoosh! The ship zipped through the night sky, through clouds, over stars, and straight to the moon. See, he's going to the moon. Orville landed. His stomach felt queasy. His spacesuit felt queasy. Now that he'd made it, what would he do? What's he gonna do? He's on the moon. What can he do on the moon? What do you think? What would you do if you were on the moon? If you were up in the moon, what would you do? Me? I would probably take a nap. I'd be so tired from my trip. He took a small step. He hopped, he did a little dance, and he tripped. He somersaulted with the stars, cartwheeled over craters, and giggled for all the galaxy to hear. It was the biggest and best adventure yet. He looks like he's having a lot of fun. He's bouncing. You know, when you're up in space, you're weightless, so you can bounce really high. He's having a good time. I'm doing it by myself, he cheered. But his tiny voice was swallowed up in the starry blackness. Orville stopped. He's all alone. Do you see anybody else there on the moon? Who's the only one on the moon? Only Orville. He's all by himself. Look. He's the only one there. He was all alone. How do you think that would feel to be all alone like that on the moon? I know if I were all alone, I might be a little scared. I definitely would miss my friends. And I might even be sad to be alone. His stomach grew queasier, and his spacesuit grew squeezier. He shivered, and a note fell out of his pocket. See the note? And here's the note. It says, "You're our Penguinaut. We know you can do this." And it had a big heart around it. Who do you think left him that note? I think it was his friends, right? He missed his friends. So Orville closed his eyes tightly. Can you close your eyes tightly? Okay, open them. And imagine that they were there. When he was safely back in his ship, he looked towards home. He couldn't wait to tell everyone about his big adventure. See all the stars? He's gonna go home because he misses his friends. Ta-da! It says, sure, Orville's friends were big. Now the proud Penguinaut felt big too. And look, they made him a nice party. And they said, "You're our hero." And look, everyone's so happy to see him. But the biggest of all, being together was out of this world. And look, what did he do? He built an even bigger rocket. And now he's going to go back to the moon with all his friends. 3, 2, 1. That was a great story. We have that here at the library, and we have other books at the library. So make sure you come down and visit us. We would love to see you. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.